Don't think too much here. Just start a camera and shoot the content for you. It's around 5 p.m. of 1st August 2025, and I have come to the place, the farms nearby Amdapur. Check out the greenery of the farms and the crops of this monsoon season. Oh, I was little checking. Is there a current blowing through this particular fencing? But इस तरफ भी फार्मर्स ने फेंसिंग बनाया हुआ है तारों का to avoid the wild animals to enter in their farms and eat their crops. Wild these pigs and रोटे रहते हैं, हिंदी में बोले तो मराठी में, ये जो बड़े वाले हिरन रहते हैं वो आके फसल को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से इन लोगों ने इधर फेंसिंग बनाया हुआ है नियर बाय पड़शी. And there is the sound of brown crow, पान को कोमड़ा ये उड़ के चला गया. I like this greenery यार, अच्छा लगता है to come over the farms nearby villages. खोपड़ियाँ भी बनाई है कुछ फार्मर्स ने. So guys, there is a little overview I wanna give you all. In around last 7 days I couldn't shoot the log content because my mother was hospitalized due to a stomach problem or the indigestion problem, you can say. So from 22 to around 29, I think, yeah, in that particular days of around 6 days hospitalization, doctor told us that there after CT scan and the MRI report, doctor told us that there has a tumor in her lower abdomen part or the rectus kind of thing, you know. Yeah, so doctor told us that it could be a tumor of cancer. So we are very much worried, and yeah, so that was really a worried kind of thing and experience for me and for our family. So doctor told us we will do the biopsy, and around I think on 25th of July he operated the thing through gastroscopy kind of thing, like ट्यूब डाल के डायग्नोस किया जाता है through a gastroscopy and operated. So stomach was quite swollen, so he did that. So he cleaned up the stomach. What the fuck wrong with me? So process, he cleaned up our stomach because there was a portal into stomach, and it was removed, and then doctor take a sample of tumors for the biopsy, and through his experience he told us that it's not a cancer kind of tumor look like. So we are a little relaxed, so because it wasn't a cancer tumor, and still we sent that tumor sample to lab for the checkup so that the diagnosis will be confirmed. It was all like that. Still the tumor report has to come, and we are discharged from the 30th of July, and in that particular time I was a little busy with the hospitalization and taking care of my mom, and because of that I couldn't shoot the log as such. So that's the reason. It's the particular overview of the last 8-9 days since I came back from Pune on 22nd of July. All right. So today I have come to this beautiful place from Khamgao with डॉक्टर शिंदे। और हॉस्पिटल का खर्चा काफ़ी इंग्लिश सुन ली गाइस आप लोगों ने, तो थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल देता हूँ। हॉस्पिटल का खर्चा वापस से भाई, पिछली बार तो 1.5 लाख का आया था, जहाँ स्पाइन का जो नसें दबी हुई थी उसका ऑपरेशन किया था लगभग 1.5 महीने पहले। उसके बाद का अभी जो हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की करना पड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ स्टमक प्रॉब्लम, इंडाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम, जो कि सो द इफ आई गिव यू द एक्सपेंस ऑफ दिस अनदर बाय Abhishek Bhagwat, doctor of gastroscopy and I think oncology, I don't know. So the expense was like around 50,000 wholesome. And in detail, if I can tell you guys, so 15,000 he charged for operation. Like it wasn't an operation, it's just a procedure. Like he cleaned up a stomach and then he take a sample of biopsy. So this is the thing, and he charged for 15,000 for that, and another 3,000 was like OT charges. And what else? Like ICU charge was there, like for 3 days. My mom was there in the ICU. Actually, she was just for 1.5 days, but they charge like 3 days. She was admitted for 12 hours, and they considered as a 3 day. But she wasn't for full time, just for 12 hours for each day. So I considered it as just 1.5 day. I think that's a valid thing. So ICU charge was like 6,500, and general ward charge was like 1,500. Nursing charge per day is like 750, and some other like chiller kind of tests like sugar testing and blood pressure check kind of daily routine things, and those are like for 6 days the bill was around 58,000, and we and take some discount and around it to 50,000. So this is how the बाकी तो फिर मेडिसिन का अलग लग गया अराउंड 10-15 हज़ार, और मतलब जो रोज़ सलाइन छोड़ते हैं, इंजेक्शन देते हैं, क्योंकि खाना पीना तो बंद था पेशेंट का. So that was the thing. So we gave a 15,000 to the doctor. As we talked to him earlier, there was a financial problem we are facing right now. So he was agreed with that and give us a 2 week of time to collect the remaining amount. So ठीक है guys. So ये सब चीज़ें थी यार. I was quite उसमें उलझा हुआ था मैं. अंग्रेज़ों के ज़माने का रिवर पुल, और यहाँ आए हैं अस्थियाँ बहाने पूर्णा नदी में, फ्रॉम कदमापुर वाया शेगांव straight to the Purna river down the bridge nearby Manasgaon. शिंदे आजी की अस्थियाँ, डॉक्टर शिंदे की मदर की डेथ हो गई थी परसों के दिन. What a big bridge. Kept the car here. Not functional for traffic. 2nd of August. Hey. Check out the beautiful river here. चलो अभी वापस जाना है कदमापुर, खाना खाएंगे, फिर वापस जाएंगे खामगांव. दोपहर में लगभग 4-5 बजेंगे. Way back going to return to the home. Quite an amazing structure. So this is afternoon and I am resting down this tree. on the floor. Premise of temple. Small kids are playing around here. Small home kids are playing here. There is a well, mobile tower, temple. मैं लेटा हूँ. तो आज का जो सावटने का कार्यक्रम होता है मराठीमध्ये सावटण्याचा कार्यक्रम क्या बोलते हैं? Prayer meet on the demise of some family member. For that reason I am here in कदमापुर. तो मस्त भाई लंच में खाया मैंने मिर्ची की सब्जी जो कि बहुत लजीज हुई थी और चपाती. वापस आके मैंने खाया खाना लगभग डेढ़ बजे और अभी बज रहे हैं हाउ मच आई थिंक यस 3 PM और मैं लेटा हूँ ऑन द पेवर्स. इट्स क्वाइट चिलिंग वाइब इन अ स्मॉल एकदम रॉ स्टाइल में.